Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the output devices. Okay, so you know it very well. There are many output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, and headphone. Okay, so today we will discuss about the printer. Okay, and you know what is printer? Printer is a device which is used to convert soft copy into the hard copy. Okay, and it produces a hard copy on the paper. So here whatever the pictures, text, document, either it is in any form available in our system, available on screen, we can have a printout by using the printer. So the if you talk about the types of printer, there are mainly two types of printer. First, impact printer. Second, non-impact printer. So if you talk about the impact printer and non-impact printer, impact printer has also three types. First, decibel printer, dot matrix printer, and the line printer. Okay, after that we will talk about the non-impact printer. It has also three types: thermal printer, inkjet printer, and the laser printer. So first we will try to understand what is impact printer. So in the printer which make contact between printer head and the paper to produce output on paper is called impact printer. Okay, so in this printer there is the head of paper strikes the head of printer strikes with paper and then produces character on the paper. So there is a inked ribbon between the printer head and the paper. Okay, which strike on which head strikes and that ribbon strikes on the paper and produces the character on the paper. Okay, so I think for example you have seen the typewriter machine, that is also called decibel printer. Okay, in typewriter is machine, there is a key on which characters are mounted. Okay, are available in bunch form. When a user press any character from the keyboard, the specialized particular key strike on the inked paper in ribbon, and that ribbon strikes on the paper, and then after it produces the character. Okay, but now we will discuss about the non-impact printer. This is the advanced printer. So the printer which do not allow any physical contact between the printing head and the paper is called, that means there is no need to strike against the ribbon or inked paper, and inked paper is called non-impact printer. Okay, that means in non-impact printer there is the printer head and the paper has no any physical contact. Clear? So now I am going to make a difference about impact printer and non-impact printer. First I will tell about the impact. In impact printer there is a physical contact between printer head and the paper. In non-impact printer there is no physical contact between printer head and the paper. Impact printers produces characters, one character or one line at a time. Non-impact printer can produce characters or graphics on paper. Impact printer do not produce graphics. It uses small dots to form the characters. Non-impact printer used to spray dry ink on the paper to produce the characters. Impact printer produces sound. Impact printers produces sound. Non-impact printer do not produces sound. The picture quality of impact printer is very poor. The picture quality of non-impact printer is very fine. Impact printer cannot print the graphics, pictures, etc. impact printer can print graphics, pictures, etc. The speed of impact printer is very slow. The speed of non-impact printer is very fast. Clear? The impact printers are bulky and heavy and old modeled, and the non-impact printers are latest and lighter in weight and can be carried also. Clear? So these are the differences we can see, and the cost of printing is high in non-impact printer and the cost of printing is very less in impact printer. So these are the basic differences between impact printer and the non-impact printer. So that's all for today.